A health alert tonight. The CDC is once again urging the public to wear face masks indoors. Respiratory viruses are continuing to spread, putting pressure on the healthcare system. DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg joining us live at the George Washington University Hospital in DC. And Daniel, there's no mandate to wear masks right now.
No, there's not, Chris, but doctors say masks can only help, though it's up to local governments to make these mandates. And so far in the DMV, we haven't seen anybody change their tone.
I'd be fine with it. I'm usually fine with whatever the CDC and science recommends.
Some people we talked with in D.C. are okay with another temporary mask mandate as respiratory viruses crowd emergency rooms in the DMV.
If it makes people feel safer or if it's actually doing something, then there's all to it. You know, let's re-up the mask situation.
I'm actually seeing a lot of COVID with flu or RSV with flu. So it's not just one virus at this point. Some people are even getting 3 different viruses at the same time.
The triple-demic of flu, COVID, and RSV is a growing concern.
Wintertime, historically, we always had higher number of patients coming to the emergency department with viral infections. This is when people get the upper respiratory infections.
According to the most recent data from the CDC, levels of COVID remain mostly low in the DMV, but when you take a look at the map of flu cases, spread is very high, with DC being the worst in our area. Some doctors are seeing the opposite, though.
In the last maybe couple of weeks, we've kind of seen a plateauing in the incidence of influenza, but I think now we've started seeing an increasing rate in the incidence of COVID cases.
So is now a time to bring back masking indoors?
It would behoove you, if you want to have a enjoyable and healthy holiday period, to consider wearing a mask if you're going to the mall, if you're going to crowded indoor venues.
Doctors say it's an easy way to keep others safe and out of the hospital.
Indoors, if you're not eating, keep the mask on. It's not too complicated. It's not too difficult. We did it for 2 years. We can do it for a few more months. So a recommendation from doctors to mask up. As for DC, whether there will be another mask mandate put in place, we don't know. We asked DC Health and did not hear back, though they did tell us tomorrow afternoon they will be holding a press conference to talk about RSV and the importance of getting your flu shot. We're live in Northwest DC. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.